Uh, hey guys, so I got new computer system just rocked up. See down there? It's a Ryzen 1700X, and I'm looking forward to showing you a time lapse of my build log. So if we look down there, I've got a new computer case, sexy in all its glory, and it's got my old computer system in there, right? So what I'm gonna do is, because I needed to use the computer, obviously, and I really wanted to try out the case, like work out how to do cable management, stuff like that. Because my old case had no cable management at all, like no cable management system at all. But the good thing about having this new setup is that I can render my videos in like no time, which will be awesome for YouTube. And hopefully I will be rendering this YouTube clip with this system once it's done. And you can't get any more exciting than that. Rendering videos at the moment probably is about 3 hours, 3.5 hours for a 1 hour video, about that. 40-minute video, like sometimes just about 3 hours. Like, it takes a long time to render, and the Ryzen system is really good for rendering and other great uses like that. Production CPU, and it's also good for gaming. So I got some benchmarks I'm going to run once I set the system up. I did some on my old system with my current graphics card. Graphics card will be coming later, because I'm definitely going to get the Vega 64 edition, but I'm waiting for an AIO unit. Maybe the Asus Strix 64. Maybe the overclock version, I'm not sure, depending on how much it will be. But definitely, that's gonna, just making games, playing games a lot easier and better. So yeah, hope you enjoy this time lapse. It's probably gonna take me a while, so I'm gonna have it on a long time lapse system. But yeah, enjoy.
so